It's Monday morning and I thought you might enjoy coming along with us for a week. Our weeks are never the same because we teach at different schools, we do public workshops, and this week is our final week of the year of teaching class at school. So I thought you might enjoy seeing what we do. So welcome to Canterbury Girls High School here in Sydney. Come along and enjoy a week with the Galmatic girls.
Go.
Jack, you got it. Okay, bolt. Just loosen them a bit.
Today, Leanne and I are teaching at Ravenswood Girls High School.
Go. Hey, go.
Is that helping or not?
And after a day of teaching, there's always stuff to do in the office, replying to emails, booking new schools, replying to inquiries about our public workshops, and all that other stuff that has to happen day to day in the admin side of running the company. But one of our very fun days is coming out to Sydney Dragway, and what we teach here is defensive driving courses, which is geared towards making you feel a little bit more confident about how your vehicle performs and about risk management and how the ABS brakes work, how to brake, swerve and recover, and just how to feel confident behind the wheel. So what you can see is some of the exercises that we do in our defensive driving courses and some of the activities that we do on a day of defensive driving. Long day, hot day here at Sydney Dragway. I've been teaching defensive driving to 16 drivers and we've had a great time all day. Track is packed up, I'm ready to go. And we spend a lot of time in the car getting from workshops, whether they be public workshops or whether it be our school-based workshops. We do a lot of driving.
Can you do something right now? No, you're the one that can speak. Nope. Why is there dirt on it?
And our classes are great fun because you just get to see that light bulb where the kids realize, wow, I can touch stuff. And they're always so engaged and enthusiastic and really eager to get their hands greasy and work out what they can and can't do. And then when I'm at a school, when I have a break between workshops, because often, you'll have recess or you'll have lunch, that's where I take the opportunity to do some more work, whether we're writing our newsletters, scripts for our videos, updating our online course at the moment that we've got. So you have to take every opportunity that you get so that your day isn't 12, 14 hours long. Rather than going home and doing stuff at the end of the day, I always take that opportunity to do some work. It means I'm sitting outside and you've got that lovely sound of children playing in the background, which is always very inspiring when I'm doing any work that's related to our school programs. So it's one of the interesting sides of running your own business. You don't have a 9-to-5 job, but you have the flexibility and the ability to work from wherever, and to not have to be sitting in a cubicle in front of a computer working 9 to 5 to get your work done. You're more project based and you do it when you have the time and in the environment that you have available to you, which for me sometimes is school. And as a mum of 2, it means quite a lot of time sitting in traffic doing school pickup. So as often as I can, I do school drop off and school pickup, or otherwise my kids do catch the bus to and from school. But sitting in that school kiss drop line, oh wow, you really see some crazy driving and some crazy traffic. So always be careful, be safe when you're driving around little ones, and especially around that school zone, stick to 40 kilometers an hour because it's such an important thing. And we ended our week filming videos. So we write scripts, we film videos, and it's one of the fun parts of our week where we all get together to just talk about what we're doing and have some fun behind the camera.